When you search for budget PC gaming controllers, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, 8-Bit Do Ultimate 2. Let's kick things off with the 8-Bit Do Ultimate 2 wireless controller. Priced at $55.99, this controller caught my attention with its sleek design and impressive features. If you want a controller that delivers precision and flexibility, this is worth a serious look. Plus, it has a polling rate of 1000 Hz, which ensures that there's virtually no lag when you're pulling off those headshots. The wireless technology promises a stable connection with a range of up to 10 meters, so you can game from your couch without missing a beat. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from over 4,700 reviewers, it's clear that gamers are loving this controller. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high for a budget controller. Here's the thing though, while it's one of the pricier options on this list, the quality and features justify the cost. If you're serious about gaming, this might just be the investment that pays off in performance. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performance controller that offers customization and advanced features. Skip this one if you're looking for something cheap and basic. But honestly, for $55.99, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if the price of the 8-Bit Do Ultimate 2 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, GameSir G7 SE. Next up is the GameSir G7 SE wired controller, coming in at $44.99. It immediately stood out to me with its ergonomic design and compatibility with both Xbox and PC. If you're after a reliable wired connection and solid gameplay, this one's worth considering. The plug-and-play convenience is a huge plus, allowing you to jump right into action without worrying about drivers. Plus, with a 3.5 audio jack, you can easily connect your headset for those late-night gaming sessions. With a rating of 4.4 stars from over 13,800 reviews, it's clear that many gamers appreciate its performance. Now, some users mentioned that the cable could be a bit short for comfortable play. But honestly, unless you're sitting super far from your screen, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just make sure your setup can accommodate it. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable and straightforward controller for Xbox and PC gaming. Skip this one if you prefer the freedom of wireless play, but at $44.99, it offers great value for wired gaming. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for flexibility. Product number 3, Xbox Wireless Controller. Now let's talk about the Xbox Wireless Gaming Controller priced at $51.57. This one instantly grabbed my attention with its modern design and extensive compatibility. If you want a controller that works across multiple devices, this is worth checking out. The Xbox controller features both wired and wireless options, giving you the freedom to play however you like. Plus, it has a battery life of up to 40 hours, so you won't be constantly charging it. The textured grip and hybrid D-pad provide a comfortable and precise experience. With a solid rating of 4.4 stars from 1,000 reviews, it holds its ground well in the market. Some users have pointed out that it can feel a bit bulky for smaller hands. But here's the thing, if you're used to console controllers, you'll probably find it quite comfortable. If you're looking for something compact, this might not be your best bet. This is perfect for you if you want a controller that seamlessly connects to multiple platforms. Skip this one if you're after a more compact design, but at $51.57, you're getting a well-rounded, high-quality product. Now, if the size of the Xbox controller is a concern for you, I've got another option that's definitely more compact. Product number 4, VOYE Switch Controllers. Coming in hot at just $19.99 is the VOYE Switch Controller. This caught my eye with its vibrant RGB lighting and budget-friendly price. If you need a versatile controller that won't break the bank, this one's a great find. What's cool about the VOYE controller is its compatibility with multiple devices, including the Nintendo Switch and PC. It boasts a long battery life of 10-15 hours and features motion control for a more immersive gaming experience. The programmable buttons and turbo function allow you to customize your gameplay, which is especially handy for competitive titles. With a 4.5-star rating from 6,900 reviews, it's proven to be a crowd pleaser. Now, some people mention that the build quality feels a bit cheaper compared to others. But honestly, for under $20, you're getting a lot of features that make it a solid choice for casual gaming. If you're looking for high-end materials, this might not be it. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly controller with fun features. Skip this one if you need something that feels premium, but at $19.99, it's an unbeatable deal. Alright, that was a fantastic budget option. But the last one on our list might surprise you with its features. Product number 5, ECT Power Wireless Controller. Finally, we have the ECT Power Wireless PC Gaming Controller priced at $20.99. I was drawn to this one for its unique features and great price. If you want a controller that offers flexibility and fun RGB lighting, this is worth a look. The ECT Power features Hall effect joysticks, which means no drift, ensuring you have precise control during gameplay. The impressive 1000 Hz polling rate provides quick response times, which can be crucial in competitive gaming. And with a battery life of up to 15 hours, it keeps going as long as you do. Its 4.2-star rating from 8,300 reviews shows it's a well-liked option. Some users mention the setup can be a little confusing at first. But here's the thing, once you get it configured, the performance is solid and well worth the initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a fun, customizable controller that works on various devices. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward plug-and-play experience, but at $20.99, you're getting a lot of value for your money. So there you have it. We've covered the 8-bit Do Ultimate 2, GameSir G7 SE, Xbox Wireless Controller, VOYE Switch Controllers, and ECT Power Wireless Controller. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but all are solid choices for budget gamers. No matter which you pick, you're getting great value without sacrificing quality.